Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some mind-blowing news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and other exciting updates you won't want to miss. So let's dive right in. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra concept. Alright, it's official. Samsung is going all out with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They're aiming to create something truly groundbreaking, the thinnest and lightest Ultra flagship ever. And yes, it's going to have a built-in S Pen. No other brand has dared to tackle this challenge before, but Samsung is ready to make it happen. Before we get into the juicy details, I want to share something special with you. If you're into health and fitness, Samsung's got a killer combo for you. Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is a beast of a watch, built with tough titanium and designed to handle any workout you throw at it. Samsung display technology. Now back to Samsung. The big news is about their new display tech for the S25 series. According to Samsung's VP, Daniel Araujo, they're making the best display ever. And guess what? Samsung's display boss, Mr. Lee Chong, just dropped a bombshell. They're working on a new AI-powered OLED display that could cut power consumption by a whopping 50%. This means you might not need to charge your phone every day anymore. So if you've noticed Samsung not increasing the battery size on their Ultra models or foldable phones, this could be why. They're betting on this new power-efficient display to keep things slim and light. Processor. And when it comes to performance, the S25 Ultra is set to pack the Snapdragon AG Gen 4 chip across the entire series. Galaxy Z Fold 6. There's also buzz about a special edition of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which might be exclusive to China. It's rumored to have a wider outer screen, a larger 8-inch inner screen, and be thinner overall. Plus, it's supposed to feature the same 200-megapixel sensor as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This could be the upgrade we've been waiting for. And finally, the first beta of One UI 7.0 is expected to drop this month. This update promises some incredible new animations and performance improvements. If you've seen any of the teasers from Universe, you know this is going to be big. So, what do you think? Are you excited about Samsung's big plans for the S25 Ultra and other new tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. See you in the next video.